Let's start on the shop floor with the PerfTrak tablet. This is what operators see directly at the machine. The goal here is simple: make it easy to capture what's really happening in real time. Operators can quickly declare production stops and events in just a few taps. When a stop happens, they select the reason immediately while it's still fresh. That means the data is accurate, consistent, and actually usable. Everything is designed to be fast and intuitive so it naturally fits into the operator's daily work. All of that information is sent instantly to the PerfTrak platform. Here, we get real-time visibility into performance across machines and lines. We can see key indicators like OEE, availability, performance, and downtime all live. Because the data is captured directly at the machine, we can clearly understand where losses are coming from. Beyond real-time visibility, PerfTrak lets you explore complete efficiency history over any time range, build multiple custom dashboards, manage shifts, set alarms, and generate reports. Just some of the many tools available to support performance improvement. Over time, this helps teams track trends, prioritize actions, and focus on what really has the biggest impact. Whether you're on the shop floor or in the office, everyone is looking at the same reliable information. So, from the operator at the machine to the management team, the PerfTrak solution creates a single source of truth for performance. Simple on the shop floor, powerful at the decision level.